there everyone, welcome or welcome back to this channel. So today's topic is going to be how are you intimidating people. The messages that I'm going to be channelizing today is going to be general collective messages. So take the messages that resonates with you and leave the rest. As usual, I have prepared two groups in front of you guys, group number 1 and group number 2. Choose the pile that you feel most intuitively drawn to. You might also feel attracted to more than one pile. The specific timestamps are there in the description as well as the comments below. Also, if you guys want a personal booking, you guys can contact me in the email mentioned below. All right, let's get started with your reading. Hi there, my Palwans. Welcome or welcome back to this channel. So this reading is going to be about how are you intimidating people. These are general collective messages, so take the messages that resonates with you and leave the rest. Also, make sure to write it in the comments which pile has resonated for you. Make sure to like, share, subscribe for more content like this. All right, let's get started with your reading. Let's see, why are people intimidated by you? Spirits, please help channelize messages for my pile number ones. We have the 10 of Wands. Pile number 1, I almost get a feeling that it is very hard to defeat you. Like, no matter what people throw at you, no matter what challenges, what circumstances you're in, no matter how rude people are with you, you handle it with class, my pile number 1. You are someone who doesn't downgrade your own energy. Like, you, my pile number 1, won't be that kind of a person who would stoop at that level to teach people their lessons. You let people make peace with their own chaos. You are non reactive. You almost don't give a damn as to how people treat you. You're the kind of a person who believes that karma is real, karma is gonna take place. You wait for that opportunity for people to destroy themselves by what they have done. Okay, that is the energy, is what I'm getting from a pile number 1. That is why people are intimidated by you. Let's get some more energies. Then we have the Judgment. Did we just not talk about surrender, living into the universe? People are intimidated by you because they feel like you are extremely protected by angels, by spirit guides. I don't know, some of you guys can really be strong spiritual people. It's like immediately when you leave, everything that you bless this person, you are giving to this person, it gets taken away, is why people are so intimidated by you. They don't want to mess with you, my pile number 1. Like, you might be non-reactive, you might not really care about that person, but the universe take cares of it, is what I'm getting. Let's see, why are people intimidated by you? Then we have the 5 of Wands. Pile number 1, it is very hard to go against you. Like, no matter what people try, how people try to put you down, there are always some forces blocking them, not allowing them to touch you. You're untouchable, my pal number 1, is what the energy I'm getting. You might have a lot of haters, a lot of people who wants to hurt you, but they really can't. They feel blocked. I don't know, you guys might be some influencers, or you guys might have a strong influence in the society, is what I'm getting. And no matter what people try, they can't reach you, is what I'm getting. You're unreachable, my pile number 1. Like, all people can do is talk about you, talk shit about you, badmouth you, but they can't really physically hurt you, is what I'm getting. Some people might have also tried it, but they have failed numerous times. You're very protected, is what I'm getting. Then we have the Ace of Wands. Too many fire energies coming out. Pile number 1, if you guys take action, someone who is a quick thinker, someone who stands for what is right, someone who implements their ideas really quick, people are really intimidated by that. Like, there are certain kind of people who just talk about ideas, um, thoughts, but never really take action. You're action oriented, my pal number 1. You do what you say. Like, people can see things manifest in the 3D reality for you, is why people are intimidated by you. They know that you're going to take action, they know that you're going to implement it, they know that you're going to make it come true in the physical reality, is why people are intimidated by you. I'm almost getting this boss fiery energy, like someone who has such strong fire within themselves that when people try to touch you, they almost, I don't know, turn into ashes, they burn their hands, is what I'm getting. Like, messing with you, pile number 1, is going to make more problems for them, is what I'm getting. This is why people are so intimidated by you. Also, for some of you, I'm getting people don't want to offend you, people don't want to be in your bad terms. Something about your speech is also coming out very strongly. You might take stand for yourself, you might draw really strong boundaries. Yeah, so people are very careful while dealing with you, is what I'm getting. Then we also have the Knight of Cups. People are intimidated by the attention that you get from opposite gender. This can be a male or a female. Since majority of the watchers are female here, I'm getting a lot of people are intimidated by you because of the male attention that you get. Maybe a lot of people are romantically interested in you. They want to propose you, make you some offer. Also, I'm getting this energy that for some of you, your lovers or people who are interested in you romantically might be a little intimidated to reach out to you, might feel a little scared as to how you would react or respond to their proposal. They don't want to feel rejected, they don't want to be treated like a second option, is what I'm getting. Let's see pile number 1. Then we also have the King of Pentacles. People are intimidated by your abundance, by your authority. Like someone who is very tactful in their dealings, is what I'm getting. Like for you to reach a certain financial goal, or for you to um, fulfill whatever desires you have, that didn't come out very smoothly. You really had to go through a lot of struggles, a lot of hustles, challenges, oppositions, and then you stand firm in your ground. Then you attain that position. So people know that when you're really doing great in your career, or if you have a job or a career where you're well respected, where you have this authority, people know that you have been through a lot. You know when to cut people off when people are BSing you. So it's very hard to almost defeat you right now, is what I'm getting, because of the challenges that you have faced throughout your life. People are intimidated by that. Then we also have the Knight of Swords. Yeah, you are swift in your actions. You are swift with your words. Some of you guys can also talk really quick, is what I'm getting. You don't hold yourself to give an opinion, is what I'm getting. You put your point. You say what you got to say, and you mean what you say. You don't hold yourself back. You're not afraid to speak up, is what I'm getting. Some of you guys can also be rebels. I don't know, protesters. Some of you guys can also be vegans. I don't know, from LGBT community. You know, someone who is talking about revolution and change in the society is what's also what I'm getting. Some of you might also work for some kind of organization that deals with charity, donations. Something about animal care is also what I'm getting. Being the voice for the voiceless. You support what is right. My pal number 1. So the universe supports you. So God supports you. So the whole spiritual team is with you. You might be a little rash in your approach, but you are right. Okay? And that is what scares the shit out of people, is what I'm getting. Then last but not the least, we also have the Three of Wands, visionary. Someone who looks forward. Someone who is goal oriented. Also, you're the kind of a person who knows for a fact that if you need to step forward in your journey, if you need to go forward, you cannot really take everyone around you and accelerate, right? Because not everyone is vibrating at the same frequency as you are. So you're not scared to cut people off. You're not scared to disappoint people. You're not scared to offend people, even if it means that they are getting hurt, okay? Because you, my pal number 1, would always stand for what is right. Some of you who takes dharma very seriously. Maybe the Indian watchers might know what I'm speaking about, but you know, someone who is well rooted with their conditions, social conditions, religion, basically what's right for the society as a whole, is what I'm getting. And that is why people are so intimidated by you. All right, pile number 1, that was the message that I was able to channelize. Hope you guys have resonated with the reading. Do let me know in the comment sections. And if you guys want a personal booking, you guys can contact me in the email mentioned below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hi there, my pile twos. Welcome or welcome back to this channel. So this reading is going to be about what makes you so intimidating to people. The messages are going to be general collective messages, so take the messages that resonates with you and leave the rest. And do let me know in the comment section if you guys have resonated with the reading. And if you guys want a personal booking, you guys can contact me in the email mentioned below. Alright, let's get started with your reading. Let's see what makes you so intimidating to others. Spirits, please help me guide. For my collectives, we'll be choosing pile number 2. We have the Two of Pentacles. Before channelizing your message, I was picking up this energy of nervousness, someone who is unstable. Pile number 2, you make people nervous. You make people scared. You make people fumble, is what I'm getting. Your energy is very strong. It almost feels like a very strong, masculine, authoritative energy. People are scared to talk to you. People are scared to reach out to you. I think out of the 2 piles, this pile might be the most intimidating one because I was catching up that energy very strong. People think twice before reaching you, is what I'm getting. They want your approval. People are really intimidated because your opinion really matters, okay? How you perceive them matters. If you're a boss in an organization, I'm getting that your employees might rework twice before submitting something to you. You might be very harsh with the criticisms. So, yeah, you make people almost feel puzzled, almost rush, okay? People are really careful before reaching out to you. This can either be a job or maybe a simple communication, just reaching out to you generally. Take this however this resonates, okay? Let's see. Then we have the Four of Swords. People are intimidated by you because they don't know what's going on in your mind. They don't know how you would respond to the situation. I'm almost getting this feeling of unpredictability. Sometimes you might be really appreciative, sometimes you might really be harsh. So your criticisms are taken very seriously, is what I'm getting. Someone who is very particular with their work, okay? Discipline is the key word, is what I'm getting. Very strict CEO, manager, you might not be, but that is the energy. Some of you guys can be single fathers, single mothers, or maybe the mom of the friend group, okay? You control people, you organize, is what I'm getting. You are all about structure and discipline and work. Very strong work ethics. So people are intimidated by that. People know that you are a very serious person, my pile number 2. People can't joke with you. Let's get some more cards. Then we have the Chariot. People are intimidated by you because you want to take things forward very quickly. You are the taskmaster. Okay, I'm getting a very strong Saturn energy. I don't know why. Majority of the people that I channelize messages for, I get a very strong Saturn energy. Maybe because I'm an Aquarius moon and ascendant, and I have very strong Saturn placements in my chart. So people who are attracted to me obviously are in the same collective conscious. But yeah, you are not the kind of a person who would be, lazy, just lay down around, waste your time. You are very disciplined yourself, and you want people to be held accountable. You want people to work. You want people to be mature, to do the damn right thing. You almost inflict this energy of productivity in people, is why people are so intimidated by you. For some of you, I'm also getting this very strict relative in the family. Don't take it otherwise, okay? I'm just able to channelize, and whatever I get, I just have to deliver. Yeah, you guys might be parenting the youngsters in the family. So they might be really scared of you. They try to hide, and they don't really want to come in contact with you. Like, if this person comes in our family, we don't want to talk to this person. This person is going to talk about, ask about our grades and productivity and what have we accomplished. We don't want to talk to them. Okay, that is the message that I'm able to channelize. Let's see, why are people so intimidated by you, my pile number 2? Why are people intimidated? Then we also have the hangman. Some people might feel that you are a very traditional person. You are not someone who has a lot of fun. Okay, someone who has a very stoic, serious nature is what I'm getting. Their face almost gives no expression, gives no sense of joy, no creativity is what people are thinking. Like, this person is all about work, money, focus, growth, discipline. That is the energy that I'm getting, and that scares people. Your friends are even intimidated by you. They can't really crack jokes, pull your leg, talk to you casually. But like, if someone is coming towards you, it is like an obligation for them to maintain a very formal tone, or you might be really formal in your dealings. Relationship, friends, work, everything is very formal, is what I'm getting. Like, no hi, bye, hellos, and let's be friends, let's go here, let's enjoy life. I don't get that energy from you, and that is intimidating about you. Let's get some more cards. Why do people find you intimidating? Then we have the Seven of Swords. See, people don't know what's going in your mind, my pile number twos. You keep them guessing. They don't know how to impress you. They are always, trying to strategize, look for these tactics, trying to understand as to how to impress you. They don't know what you would approve of, okay? You are very hard to read, is what I'm getting, my pile number two, and that is why people are so intimidated by you. You move in silence, and even if you guys have certain hobbies or creativity or something that you do for fun, that is unknown to people. For some of you, I'm also getting people are intimidated by the fact that how do you manage your love life. Also, this is not really a message of intimidation, but I was just able to channelize the message. Like, a person who is so disciplined, focused, stoic, how does this person take care of their family? How does their wife, I don't know, manage them? How do they manage their relationship is what I'm getting. That scares people about you. Then we also have the Ten of Pentacles. People are intimidated by how responsible you are, the legacy that you have created. Okay, people are intimidated by that. It is very hard to shake you up from where you are right now. Some people are also scared to reach out to your family. Like, they don't want to mess with your family too much, bother around too much. If you guys have some nosy relatives, or some people in the family who are like really toxic, who always puts people down, try to humble them, and all those spread around gossips, like, they know, for my pile number twos, we can't do the same thing for them. My pile number twos are really protective about their family, really protective about their parents and their siblings. Okay, like, your reputation matters. You can't really speak shit about them. You can't really you can't really offend them, is what I'm getting. That is why people find you so intimidating. Let's get some more messages. Then we also have the Seven of Cups. See, people almost keep wondering as to what's going on in your life. They feel confused, they don't understand. Do you approve of this? Do you not approve of this? Do you like this? Do you not like this? They're always so much in that state of confusion, and they don't know how to impress you, my pile number two. Again, that energy of unpredictability. Let's get some more. Then we also have the Page of Pentacles. People are intimidated by you because you know a lot of information, is what I'm getting. You are the kind of a person who is always ever learning, always ever researching, looking for information everywhere. It is very hard to defeat you in a debate or an argument, is also what I'm getting, my pile number twos. Very knowledgeable. People don't want to come to you unless they have done proper research, is also what I'm getting. Like, they don't want to sound like a fool. They don't want to sound like someone who doesn't know basics, is also what I'm getting. This could either be legit information about the work, or how normal human ethics are, is also what I'm getting. People don't want to be sounded like a fool. They don't want to be sounded like a knife when they're talking to you. They want to be prepared and then reach you. Then we also have the Ten of Swords. People are intimidated that you might hurt them. You might look down on them. May not be true, okay, but take it however this resonates. They are really scared to be defeated by you. Again, see, they don't want to sound make them sound like a fool. Then last but not the least, we also have the Two of Wands and the Lovers coming up. Pile number 2, a lot of people who are physically attracted to you might be intimidated by you. These might be literally your lovers, or if you're dating a person, or maybe if someone has a crush on you, they want to come to you with full preparation, okay? Whether it comes to building themselves physically, getting that grooming done, getting that information, getting that character development, they know that you are the kind of a person who wouldn't really accept bare minimum. So they want to be prepared. They want to show you that they deserve you, is what I'm getting. So yeah, you intimidate a lot of people who are attracted to you because, again, they don't want to sound like they're fooling themselves. All right, that was the message that I was able to channelize for you, my pile number 2. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comment sections. And if you guys want personal bookings, you guys can contact me in the email mentioned below. Bye. I'll see you guys in the next video.